Strawberry Crunch Cake is a twist on that classic strawberry shortcake ice cream bar that everybody loves. I took the iconic flavors of that popular ice cream bar, the sweet strawberry, the creamy vanilla, and that classic strawberry crunch topping, and I turned them into a cake. So for the cake, you're going to combine melted butter, eggs, milk, strawberry jello powder, and strawberry cake mix. It's best to combine this with an electric mixer, and your batter should be a vibrant red color. Go ahead and pour that into your prepared pan, and you're going to bake it. Next, in a zip top bag, you're going to crush the Nilla wafers and the free-dried strawberries, and then add in the melted butter. Once your cake is cooled, you're going to top it with a vanilla buttercream frosting, and then go ahead and sprinkle that classic topping mixture evenly over the cake. And there you have it, an ice cream-inspired dessert that you can have all year long.